We are Group 2 and we are going to talk about substitution effect. Substitution effect is the amount of goods a consumer would buy to achieve the same level of utility. Steps in substitution effect.
Finding the initial basket. The initial basket is the basket the consumer chooses at the initial price. This graph, price is on the y-axis and quantity is on the x-axis. The consumer faces budget line 1 and within the indifference curve. The maximum utility is in basket A. The slope of the budget line is negative price of x sub 1 over the price of y.
Finding the final basket. This is the basket the consumer chooses after the price falls to price x sub 2.
Price on y and quantity on x. On the first budget line, the maximum utility is on basket A on the first indifference curve. Budget. When the budget line shifts outward, the maximum utility is in basket C on the second indifference curve. The formula for the first budget line is price of good 1 over price of y. The formula for the second budget line slope is the price of good 2 over price of y.
Finding the decomposition basket. This will enable us to identify the portion of the change in the quantity due to the substitution effect. The basket should be parallel to the second budget line and should be tangent to the first indifference curve. Basket A and basket B should be on the same indifference curve with the first basket, which is B. The slope of the first budget line is negative P sub 1 over PY. Formula for the slope of the second budget line is negative P sub 2 over PY. Finally, for the slope of the decomposition basket, negative P sub 2 over PY.
Having those said, we are now going to solve a problem and apply what we have just learned about substitution. We are going to apply the 3 steps in each finding the initial basket, final basket, and decomposition basket. We have an income of 75, marginal utility is y, price of good 1 is 10, the price of y is 1, the marginal utility is x, and the price of good 2 is 5. The first step is to find the initial basket. We will substitute the amount given to the slope of the budget line. We have 10x plus y is equal to 75. We know the marginal rate of substitution is just equal to the slope of the budget line, which is y over x is equal to px over py. And in this 10x over 1, which gives us y being equal to 10x. Now we will find the value of x and y by using the formula in letter A, which gives us x equal to 3.75 or 15 over 4. Put x again, so 10 times 3.75 is equal to 37.5.
Step 2 is finding the final basket. Using the same formula in the first step, px plus py is equal to 75, which is 5x, plus 1, y is equal to 75, which is 5x plus y is equal to 75. Then we have price of good 2 over price of y. is equal to y over x, which is equal to 5 over 1, which gives us y is equal to 5x. Then, we substitute y to the formula in letter A, which gives us 10x is equal to 75, then divide both sides by 10 to get x, which is 7.5. Since we have the value of x already, we substitute it to y equal to 5x. Then we have y times 7.5, which gives us y is equal to 37. The third and last step is finding the decomposition basket. We are trying to maximize the utility of good x and good y, which is x times y. 3.75 from the first step multiplied by 37.5 from the given we have solved, then we have 140.63. Since x times y is equal to 140.63, we have 5x multiplied by x is equal to 140.63. So we have 5x squared is equal to 140.63, then divide both sides by 5 to get x squared is equal to 11.6. And we take the square root of it to get x is equal to 3.44. Lastly, we substitute 3.44 to y is equal to 5x. So we have 5 multiplied by 3.44, and then we have y is equal to 17.2.